EXPs, I wanted to make a quick, short how-to video in case you're on tour, you'll be executing on any events where you'll be carrying any tour assets or loading tour vehicles and you have to use a trailer. So I wanted to show you how to hitch up your trailer when you're loading or unloading any tour vehicles or assets. So let's jump right into it with a quick basic of just definition of some of the things that we have here. We have our ball hitch. So this is going to be connected to your vehicle, and it's important whenever you are executing any type of program or prior to leaving out any fabrication places, as well as any places where you'll be picking up the vehicle with the agency, that they have the appropriate height as well as size for the type of trailer that you will be carrying. So we have our ball hitch here, and something that T likes to do very often, we use WD-40. He greases this ball hitch often to make sure that it stays, it doesn't get hard, and it has great slip and grip to be able to grab our trailer here. So you have your ball hitch here, just make sure that's always the appropriate size as well as weight. You also have your trailer tongue here, and this is what you're going to use to lock and unlock your trailer in place. And then you also have your trailer pin. So this is going to go in to add the extra security and further lock the trailer in place. And this is important. You cannot forget to do this. So let me go ahead and pull this out because we will be hitching up our trailer. We also have our own trailer block. You can buy one of these at Home Depot. However, T and I, we like to make our own for every tour that we have, just to make sure that it's the appropriate height for the vehicle that we will be using to tow our trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and hop in the vehicle quick in a minute and actually back up the truck under the trailer here to make sure that it is aligned properly. So let me go ahead and hop in there and do that. Vehicle in reverse, and I lined my truck up with the trailer. If you're executing any type of program by yourself, it's important that when you back that truck up, that you go ahead and put that emergency brake on, because that will solidify the truck in place and give you time to come back here and make sure that you are aligned. If you need to make any adjustments, you can do so and perform the action of going ahead and attaching your trailer to the truck. So let me go ahead and grab my handle here. This handle is what you're going to use to adjust the height of the trailer, either bringing it up or bringing it down. So in my case, because I'm hitching it up, I'm going to begin to, went the wrong way there. So I'm going to bring it down some. And as you guys can see here, I lined the trailer up perfectly. And since I have my trailer tongue pulled back, which opens up the gateway for the trailer hitch ball to actually go ahead and lock in place there. I'm going to go ahead and wind up the access handle down here. So in the event that you are unable to align your truck initially with the trailer, this tongue is going to be your judge, and it'll be able to tell you what you need to do. So in my case, I was able to to line my trailer up line my truck up correctly to the trailer so I can go ahead and drop my trailer tongue down. However, if this is not the case for you, then you may have to perform something called a bump test, where you actually back your truck up, or pull your truck forward, and then this trailer tongue will actually lock in place. So we're all good to go there. That is in place. I'm going to continue to wind up my access. All right, so I went on ahead and tightened up my trailer leg, and then from there I am going to attach my trailer pin and lock that in place. So as I stated before, this is extremely important in making sure that your trailer is secure to the back of your truck. And we're all set there. This will not move. Next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and pick up this block, drop it in our truck. And now I'm going to go ahead and attach my chains. So the chains also serve as a backup just in case your trailer happens to become detached from the actual truck. You have the chains here which will help to keep the trailer locked on, or in our case, secure to the truck. So T and I, we like to crisscross our chains on the truck actual hitch back here. So take out the additional slack, and then we lock our chains in place. Just grab the other one here. Opposite sides, take that slack out. Too much slack. And you want to make sure that those are locked in place and that they are secure, which they are. Next thing you want to tackle is your lights. So when you're hauling any type of vehicle with the trailer, you have to make sure that your trailer lights are working and operating, because DOT will fine you if they're not. So you'll go ahead and lock this in here. Drop that in. And then you're all set. So that's locked, your pin is in place, your chains are secure, and then you are good to go. So now, all right, EXPs, you had a chance to watch my quick video where I showed you how to hitch your trailer to your tour vehicle. I wanted to just reiterate a couple things in this video. Number one, make sure that you are always aware of your surroundings and where you're parking your trailer as well as your tour vehicle. As an EXP, you're usually traveling from hotel to hotel, so oftentimes you will have regular people parking at the hotel, and you have to make sure that you are picking hotels which are safe, which allow you to not only park your trailer as well as your tour vehicle, and will allow enough space for you to hitch and unhitch your tour vehicles. As a precaution, you should buy a set of cones from Home Depot or any hardware store, so that when you unhitch your trailer from your tour vehicle, you can place a cone there to make sure no one parks in that parking space, so you'll be able to hitch up your vehicle and leave in a timely manner. This has happened to us numerous times where we did not do this, and unfortunately we couldn't leave till that individual came out and actually moved their vehicle so we could hitch up. So take the precautions and make sure that you put those cones out. Also, it's important for you to buy a trailer lock. This will ensure that no one is able to steal your trailer. Sounds crazy, but it happens all the time. No one steals your trailer and leaves with all of your assets or your official tour vehicle. So you can pick this up at Home Depot as well. Go ahead and invest in that trailer lock, and that'll keep your trailer secure throughout the duration of the tour. Also, wheel chocks are important. This will assist with you unloading any tour vehicles, loading tour vehicles back on the trailer, and just making sure that you're able to keep the trailer leveled as you're taking any event assets or any vehicles off. Also, as an EXP, ladies especially, make sure that you are safe when you're on the road. If you're a lady and you're executing a tour by yourself, you have to be extra careful and take extra precautions. You know, arriving at night to your designated location isn't desired. And also, when you are traveling by yourself, just make sure that you are aware of your surroundings and people that may come up to the tour vehicle or may try to interact with you. You know, just always be aware of that, especially if you're a female. Also, ladies, I have a pair of gloves that I actually wear, you know, just to keep my hands clean. And also, as I'm moving and lifting heavy things and hitching and unhitching the trailer, having these gloves also help me as well. And lastly, if you are executing a tour as a team, work together and help each other out. You know, if you're hitching the trailer to the truck, you know, one of you can be outside guiding the other individual and the other individual can be in the truck. But as a tour team, it's important that you work together to get things done. You know, you never really appreciate a great tour partner until you don't have them. So especially when you're on the road for months on end, it's important, you know, that you work together, whether you're hitching vehicles, you know, whether you are reaching out to on-site contacts or even just managing EXPs on site. Ensure that both of you have communicated any concerns that you have with each other prior, and especially when you're hitching and you're moving tour vehicles and tour assets, that you are clear on each other's roles as well as responsibilities. So guys, if you love this video, give me a like. Also, let me know what you guys think. What have you learned over the years in hitching and unhitching your vehicles as a EXP? What are some practices and precautions that you always try to keep in mind? Follow me on social media, say hi at all of my outlets, and I would love to see your tour or your event photos as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. I can't wait to provide you guys some more insight, and I'll be creating more videos as well in the weeks to come. My next video, I'll be explaining how to begin a career as an EXP with no brand identity. So this is especially for those individuals who are beginning in the experiential marketing industry and don't know where to start, or feel like they do not know how to establish themselves and obtain consistent opportunities. That video is for you. So make sure you stay tuned for that, and more importantly, hit that subscribe button to receive notifications on when I'll be posting future videos. Looking forward to connecting with you.